The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Russian aerospace forces have neutralized the headquarters of Eastern Air Command of the Armed Forces of Ukraine at southwestern suburb of Dnipropetrovsk. Missile attacks have been launched at the concentration areas of the units from the 14th and 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Dvorechne, Petropavlovka and Kupiansk, Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of up to 100 servicemen, including foreign mercenaries and 16 units of military equipment. Massive fire attack has been launched at the units from the 66th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and two provisional bases of nationalist groups near Torska and Krasnoliman direction. The attack has resulted in the elimination of over 120 nationalists and 14 units of armored equipment. Missile attack launched at the manpower and equipment of the 54th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Grigorovka at Lysychansk direction has resulted in the elimination of up to 90 servicemen, 3 tanks and 6 armored vehicles. Missile attacks have been launched at the munitions depot of the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Zaporozhye, as well as manufacturing workshops for aircraft reparation at Motor Sich plant. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of over 15 tons of ordnance, including projectiles for the US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket system, as well as 2 Ukrainian Mi-24 combat helicopters. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at the units from the 24th Mechanized, 7th Tank and 128 Mountain Assault Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine deployed near Belaya Krynica, Arkhangelskaya, Lyubimovka and Zolotaya Balka have resulted in the elimination of 9 tanks, 12 infantry combat vehicles, 20 motor vehicles and up to 250 servicemen. In total, 312 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,145 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,336 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 860 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 3,445 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,226 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.